We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove two screws. We remove the back cover. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We remove the battery. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Now we remove the flex. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. Guarden lo que son los papeles de las reparaciones porque son la garantía de lo que le hemos hecho. Sí. We have finished the assembly process.